I talk about the relationship between confidence and state of mind and peak performance and success. And I think all of these are linked. So when someone has good confidence, they're ready to take chances, they're ready to make mistakes, they're ready to fail, they're also ready to take feedback, and they're not afraid of putting themselves out there. Also, confidence then is also linked to the state of mind. So when we have a clear mind, so we don't have any kind of distracting thinking going on, we are free and we feel confident in the moment. And those two things, confidence and a free and clear mind, are the keys to good performance, whether that's on the sports field or in the conference room or on the stage or on your first date. No matter where you are, confidence and clear mind are your best friends. They're like your secret companions. And then those things like the ability to perform at your best, night in, night out, is also in sports and also in life in general the way to become successful or to experience success in your given field. So highly confident people, they're good at receiving feedback, whether positive or negative, or positive or critical. So they don't mind getting critical feedback. They don't take that personally. Whereas people whose confidence is not that high, who have problems with their confidence, they usually take every kind of feedback personally. So if they get good feedback, that kind of boosts their confidence even more, or their self-esteem. And if they get negative feedback, that undermines that. They kind of like it hits somewhere. They feel like they've been, physically harmed or attacked. So naturally, then they try to avoid critical feedback, which means that they don't necessarily put themselves out there. They don't take chances. They don't take risks because they're afraid of getting negative feedback from others. Whereas highly confident people, they don't care. They don't really care. If they get positive feedback, good. Okay, I did something right. If they get critical feedback, okay, great. There's again an opportunity to learn something here. There's something valuable here. And also they can distinguish whether that feedback is actually relevant. If there's actually something worth taking a look in, or whether it's just something that someone tries to, I don't know, like just undermine your confidence. So the ability to look at feedback or look at what you've done and not take anything personally is, in my view, one of the sort of secrets to good performance, to productivity, and to success.